Hi everyone, I'm Wendy Blanchard, holistic health practitioner, counselor, and mental health educator, bringing you some information on my trainings that are coming up in case you'd like to join me. I'm offering my whole person wellness, reset your mindset, reignite your health, and recharge your life through the Rockland Teachers Center on May 18th. You can sign up at rockteach.org. This training is for educators and support staff, and you will receive credits for that training. On March 2nd, it's open more to the community. This one is called Whole Person Wellness, the gut-brain axis, and I will be talking about how the foods that we eat, the thoughts that we think, and the relationships that we are engaged in, how they affect us on a cellular level when we choose unhealthy foods, relationships, or thoughts that are ongoing. That does cause inflammation on a cellular level, and I'll be offering you ways to achieve wellness instead. If you want to sign up for that training, that is at orangeburglibrary.org. Both trainings are virtual through Zoom. I'll also be offering another training on April 8th. I'm just waiting for confirmation this evening, and then I will let you know those details as well. In the meantime, please take good care of yourselves and each other. Practice daily self-care. That's what whole person wellness is all about. Self-care is the actions that we take to achieve wellness, and wellness is where we stand in our power. I hope to see you soon at one of my trainings. Be well, be safe, be warm, and I'll see you soon.